everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to BingX exchange safely. Let's get started. First, open your BingX app. Now go to the assets at the bottom, tap deposit and then deposit cryptos. Here select USDT. After you select USDT, choose the network you want. For example, ERC20 Ethereum, TRC20 Tron or BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. Remember, the network you select here must match the one you will send from Trust Wallet, and you simply need to copy the deposit address shown on the screen. Once you do that, open your Trust Wallet. Let me enter my passcode here. Scroll down and go to Manage Crypto. And here tap on USDT. And tap Send. Now paste the deposit address you copied from BingX here. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send here. And double check the network and the first and last few characters of the address. Once done, tap Next and then Confirm. You will need some of the network's native token to pay gas fees. ETH for ERC20, TRX for TRC20, BNB for BEP20. Make sure you have a small amount in your wallet for transaction to go through. After confirming, the transfer may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the network. Once it's done, check your BingX assets by going to funding account to see your USDT balance updated. To be safe, always send a small test amount first. If it arrives correctly, then go back and transfer the full amount. And that's it. That's how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to BingX safely. Just remember to always match the network on both sides. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.